We added Canva templates, no need to install any designing softwares, use Canva website design tools directly. Search MR620 from our website in the search bar, and turn to Template page. Click Design Now under Canva Template to use blank Canva template. From here you can create your designs freely. After the design is completed, click the Share button in the upper right corner. Click Download and choose the format you need. Then you can print your labels. We also provide 9 pre-designed Canva templates. Choose one you like. And just change the text. Then, same steps as above, click the Share button, choose the format you need and download, then print. And don't forget to check using tips for Canva template. Just in case you need some guidance on how not to print out the black label frame, or for things like quick edits. First, check if the paper size is correct. Check paper size under Word print setting, make sure it's letter size or A4 size. Then open Printer Properties. Check document size, make sure it's the correct paper size, letter size or A4 size. Open Options from MS Word. Select Advanced. Scroll down to Print. Uncheck box of Scale Content for A4 or 8.5 by 11 inches paper sizes. Open the Printer dialog box and select Properties or Preferences. Check document size to see if it's the correct size. Then go back to Printer dialog box, select Actual Size under Page Sizing and Handling. These labels use permanent adhesive, so there might be adhesive left when the label is removed.